today's DIY, I will be using bath mats. Start by separating the shapes as shown in this video. Pretty easy, right? This will be a good time to subscribe because you want to stay updated with all those budget-friendly DIYs coming your way. Also, if you're loving this video thus far, the chandelier video I made previously using bath mats may also interest you. The video link will be in the description box. Line the cut mats onto the canvas before sticking it down. Try your best to space them evenly. Once you're satisfied with the desired look and design, stick the bath mats onto the canvas. After gluing down the longer pieces, stick the shorter ones in between. entire wall decor gold. And just like that, you have created an easy and beautiful wall decor DIY that is also budget friendly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this glamorous bath mat wall decor DIY. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, elevate your space, not your spending.